Hey everybody, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, J Ross, back with another video. I know you guys are not used to seeing me do an introduction for my makeup and chill videos, but this one was a request from one of my subbies and my homegirl and my boo and my child that I will never have because she grown or whatever. But my love Carmen requested that I should do a look based off of my Zodiac sign, which I'm a Sagittarius. Squad, stand up. Sagittarius, stand up. We in there.
Yeah.
But I am a Sagittarius, and I've learned that Sagittarius's power color is purple. And our other power colors are like a canary yellow, like a magenta pink, and I think it was like an orange of some sort. So even though I'm not gonna be talking through the tutorial fully, I still want you guys to see what I do. And I'm going to be using, because I've been really loving this palette so much, I'm gonna be using the Glamlite. I just dug my whole hand into that palette. I'm gonna be using the Glamlite Paint Pro palette. This is the second one to their paint palette collections. I have used this on my channel before, but it's kind of a two-in-one request, so to speak. This request was actually like to do the Zodiac sign makeup, was actually submitted like a month ago. And then recently when I did a look with this on my Instagram, people were saying, oh my gosh, please use this palette again. So I thought to bring it back for another look before I would dig my fingers into it again. Seriously, I need to get into this. This is why I don't do the introductions for Makeup and Chill, because I would just start rambling. So I'm not trying to do that. So let's go ahead and get into this, and I will catch you guys at the end. Alright guys, so this is the overall final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Once again, thank you to my girl, my bae, my little beau, my daughter, or whatever, Carmen, for requesting that I do a look based on my Zodiac sign. Once again, I am a Sagittarius up here. And yeah, this is the color scheme that Sagittarius are, like, these are the power colors of Sagittarius. Basically, these colors look very good on melanated skin. Let's just say that's what these colors represent. Melanated goodness of everything. I absolutely love this palette. This is like my fourth, fifth, maybe sixth look that I've done with this palette, and seriously, you guys should check this palette out. Like I said, this is the Glamlite Paint Pro palette. You can buy it as a set, and I think the sets were on sale. You can get the original paint palette as well as this pro paint palette, or paint pro palette, and then that calligraphy graphic liner that I showed you guys in my unboxing from, I think, my Christmas unboxing actually. So seriously, check this out if you have not already. Check out Glamlite Cosmetics if you haven't already, because their shades, and their palettes are absolutely stunning. I hope you guys really enjoyed this special edition of Makeup and Chill. Even though I didn't talk to you guys that much, I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Hope to catch you guys in my next video. If there's a palette that you guys have seen me haul or anything that I still have not used, please go ahead and comment that down below if you want to see. If you guys want to see the paint palette being used on my channel, like an actual tutorial, please let me know that too. I did my Glam Jack Skellington look with that palette, but I really didn't like put it on YouTube of me using that palette. So if you guys want to see me do that palette, please comment that down below. And yeah, I'm really liking this look.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here.
Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Seriously, thank you guys for all your love and all your appreciation and all that good stuff. And yeah, like I said, I will hope to see you guys in my next one. Peace.